Welcome back to iMovie tutorial number 6. Two more things I want to go over with you, and that is a way to fade in and fade out. Over here in the settings button, notice we have these two options: fade out to black, fade in from black. If I place a check mark next to those, and then I come over here in my timeline, notice I have that little square icon there. I have the same one all the way at the end, and what that's telling me is that I have chosen to allow my video to start at black and to slowly fade in. Okay, so it's just a way to ease into the video, and then a way to fade out to black. Alright, so you can kind of see it fading there. Okay, so that's a real simple tool to make your video look a little bit better. Another tool is pretty important, and that is the blade tool. And the way to access this quickly, say there's a clip that's maybe a little bit too long. Let me zoom into my timeline here. Let's say that I want to take a piece of this river clip and I want to put it in between this firework clip. Well, what I have to do is use the blade tool. To access it, I'm going to hit Command B. And what that does is it cuts my video right in half. Okay, so now I want to take this river clip and I want to take the middle section out. So what I have to do is hit Command B on both sides. Alright, and then I can take that middle part and drag it and drop it. Okay, so fade in, fade out, and Command B allows you to use the blade tool to cut your video. Two more tools to help you out.